to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to be talking about the acidic milestone that Jamaica passed. Again, it's routine now, it's common now, it's the norm. What may I talk about? 1,000 murders. See, I was having a conversation with a person who run the IG page known as Central Village, and as you can imagine, them cover Central Village issues, right, surrounding the community, mainly crime and violence. The man show me say Central Village consistently top the division, right, St. Andrew South. Right. This is crazy because you hardly hear about Central Village in the news. People are dead right through. So in the process of communicating, with them, I figured, you know what, let me go see what the stats look like for a couple of the other divisions because I like to keep up to date. When it comes down to murders, we can't just be vague and say crime bad, crime get out of hand. No, we need to actually look at the numbers. That's the only way we know whether things that get better or worse. I look at numbers, I scroll down the list, I look at the total. I was like, hold on, when this happen? Jamaica gone past 1,000 already? This video is going to drop on the 21st of September. September not done yet, and Jamaica gone past 1,000 murders. Look on your screen. The figures we all see range from January the 1st to September the 18th. So we know this figure higher already, right? Because the 19th, the 28th, man I did same me. But I could work with the way I see. 1,019. That's a 10% increase for the same time period last year. 10%, double digit increase. If Jamaica they are 1,000 already, September are done. This is looking like one of them years away. We're gonna see. Unless something extraordinary happen, we will probably go over 1,400 murders. Unless something extraordinary happen. We could break it down by divisions. Kingston Central up 54%. Was at 33 last year. 51 murders already. Kingston Eastern up 25%. Was 52 same time last year, 65 now. West Kingston, oh yes, West Kingston, up 28%. 90 murders this year so far. St. Andrew Central have a 14% decrease. Was 70 this time last year, at 60 now. St. Andrew North, 18% decrease. That's a 2 divisions, right? Decrease so far. St. Andrew South, you know St. Andrew South, you know for them numbers are normal already. St. Andrew South, 18% increase. Much people dead around there already this year, 123. There are countries, right, with populations greater than the amount of people living in that division. Right. When I see them figures there for the entire year. St. Andrew South are the national numbers. Some countries not see them figure there. But let people put that in a context. In other words, the amount of people we live in other islands, other countries, far exceed the amount of people we live in a St. Andrew South. But them country they now see 123 murders a year and St. Andrew South a seat. And if you understand, say, a dangerous place. Non-stop murders. Most of them don't even bother make the news. Anyway, look like them all come up on top this year again. Because I don't see anybody. The next closest is St. James, right? 107. But before we get to them, St. Catherine North, 14% decrease. Now as you know, St. Catherine North figures used to be way up. when Klansman did really hot. Now that's the trial I go on. Black man's entire faction, well a big chunk of it, they on trial. When time St. Catherine did a battle with St. Andrew South and Mobile for the top spot was when they managed our road. But even so, 73 people dead this year. It's a 14% decrease, so it's a small victory. Small victory. At this point we take anything we can get. Things so bad that's even a 1% decrease. We'll take it. St. Andrew South, 18% increase. Telling about Central Village already. St. James, 25% increase. 25%. You don't really hear about St. James in the news too much now. Still way up there, over 107 murders so far this year. At this point, it was 85 last year. I'm telling you, say, gang war hot and mobile. Gang war hot and mobile, but it not really plastered all over the news. Many of the people in Mount Love involved in it too, but that's for another day. Trelawney, down 25%. Well done, Trelawney. Although in my opinion, Trelawney is a parish where should be single digits. Trelawney should not go over 10 for the year. But as I say, we'll work with it right now. Trelawney, hopefully full numbers keep trending downwards. Westmoreland. You look for Westmoreland. Take a good look for Westmoreland now. The highest percentage increase out of all the divisions. Westmoreland, when you see the figures, 81. Westmoreland start to get dangerously close to St. James. And of course, as you know, scamming money that help contribute greatly to these numbers. But I don't really say nothing still because I don't know that guy already. Bad mind and all that. And sometimes I have to take a break from bad mind and scammers. It's what I mainly do, but sometimes even me have to take a break. 81. It's crazy. 62% increase in people at Jamaica open to see that, Westmoreland people. I open to see that. Hanover, 31%. Who would know say the day would have come when Hanover in place? I see them kind of figures here. Crazy. St. Mary, down 33%. 16 again, St. Mary should be a place where single digits, under 10. But at least it's trending downwards. St. Anne, 18% decrease. Portland, 50% increase. And even though 12 sound good compared to the rest of the place them on the list, Portland should be a place of single digits every year. Anytime Portland going at double digits, it's a bad year for them when it comes on the crime, but at least we can see say compared to the last time, because remember it was a case where it was like one every other day, right? But it's like 12 look like it has slowed the tide. Hopefully that not get too much higher. And Portland too big up on itself. Manchester down 26%, call it 27. Clarendon up 15.4%. 75 people did a Clarendon so far this year. 75. St. Elizabeth down 25%. Big up St. Bess. St. Thomas up 5.9%, call it 6. So the security forces, the government, the powers that be, have a serious task on them hand to prevent Jamaica from hitting the mid 1000s, because that's probably where we're getting up. When you look on the numbers, you can see say all divisions are obviously not equal when it comes on to the amount of murders that take place. So the strategy can be the same. Units like the quick reaction team, the mobile police and the bike police, them, they need greater numbers inner divisions like St. Andrew South. If you want to bring down the numbers, you look at the highest ones them first. And you start right St. Andrew South, St. James, right? It's a Westmoreland, right? Kingston Western, alright. This amount of QRT, this amount of SWAT, this amount of community policing, whatever the different units you want to use, have to get distributed in them place the first, because think about this. A simple maths. If St. Andrew South cut in half, St. James cut in half, Westmoreland cut in half, just half. Clarendon cut in half. If the JCF start set targets for these divisions that have such high numbers, Kingston Western, say listen, we want a 50% reduction. That is our target. Just like how when a company set out for the year, them say we have a certain target, we want this amount of profit. Right? We want this amount of turnover. And then the staff and everybody set off right, with that number in mind. Being vague and say we are going to reduce crime, right, no mean nothing. JCF need to start set actual targets and make the number of them soak in the police them head. Right. Kingston Western, the target is 50, no more than 50 murders for the year. St. Andrew South, no more than 175. Right. St. Catherine South, no more than 160. Once you start doing like this, if these divisions start get cut in half, we're not going to see Jamaica. Right. Get closer and closer to the 1,000 figure and dip under it. Notice, place like Trelawney contribute 12. Right. Place like Portland contribute 12. Right. Manchester 19, St. Elizabeth 18, St. Thomas 8. So on this say, let's say the whole of Jamaica did an average 20. Right. One thing does work with me now. Right. St. Thomas at 18, St. Elizabeth at 18, Manchester at 19, Portland at 12, St. Mary at 16, Trelawney at 12. Right. Let's say we just round it up. Let's say we just give it a smooth 20. Right. Every division, right, had 20 murders for the year. Right. That's 20 times 14. It will be 280 murders in Jamaica. Think about that. If 20, right, if 20 murders, I mean each division, there'll be 280. Can you imagine a year where Jamaica will have 280 murders? I'm going to show you why numbers are important and not being vague and why targets are important. Let's say 7 parish get the 20, right? That's 20 times 7. That's 140. 140 murders. Now let's say the other 7 parish them get 50. Right? That's 50 times 7. 350 plus 140 right, equal 490 murders. Wonder if you now work with me. 490 murders. If JCF set a target, 50 murders in even the worst divisions them. 50, no more than 50. Jamaica would see less than 500 murders for the year. Total, and whoever is in charge of the Ministry of National Security, whoever is Prime Minister, that year would not lose another election. See, them money don't want to work. That's what I know said. Them money don't want to work. Let me serious. You see, if I'm Minister of National Security, this is how I'm approaching it, with these numbers in mind. Right? Because the politicians want, they want to stay in power. Well, Mr. Politician, you know how you stay in power? Deliver results. Any Prime Minister will bring Jamaica a 500-year murder. Right? In Jamaica, I'm telling you, they will not lose another election. Them could have catch him in one go-go club, right, with 15 go-go, diet coke all over him face, right, and spliff in their hand. Right. And the people in Jamaica would have said, nobody is perfect. If them catch, if Andrew Holness deliver 500 murder a year, and them catch him round a back road with 5 girls one time, right, spliffing a one and there cooking their necks, right, one illegal AK side of him, palm video, the people in Jamaica would have say, right, A man is just a man, and man are flawed. Man flawed, what you want him to do? That's what people would say. He will never lose an election. That's what most of them people are not really serious about them work. Not serious about them job. How about we up it? How about we say 60 in 7 divisions? Right? That's 60 times 7. 420. Plus the 140 from the 20, right, in the other 7 divisions. That's 560. 560 murders. When you start to break it down like this, you see that it is doable. Jamaica's supposed to can do 60 murders in these places. They can't tell them they want to do it. So if you can just bring down these numbers, just drop them slightly under. Hell, even give them 80. You see how generous we're being? Say average 80 murders in 7 of the parish them, right, and 20 murders in the other 7. People of Jamaica, that's 700 murders. Now, this list is broken down into the different divisions where, for example, St. Catherine of North and South. We just look upon parish, right? Because, for example, you can see most of them are just an entire parish. St. Thomas, St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, right? Westmoreland, these are entire parishes. Are only really St. Catherine and, the Kingston and them place they really divide up. Right? So I look upon the parish. When they done 700 murders for the year, only would I see Jamaicans pile up. Airport wouldn't hold people. Airport, there wouldn't be enough space to people walk out. If Jamaica get a 500 murder a year, especially back to back, Uncle Sam would have complained, said too much Jamaicans are left. When I talk about business and invest and get foreign investors, local investors, I go pile up back at Jamaica. When I say local, I mean Jamaicans who either they are Jamaica or live abroad. But then I already said Jamaicans have money. Enough Jamaicans have money still on pan. A crime and violence for them to invest. Right. Get a 500 murder a year now. And see what happen. When I see what happen to the economy, when I see what happen to jobs. Right. So this vague, I'm going to lower crime, that don't mean nothing. The target, 60, 70, 80 murders across the most volatile divisions. And watch what will happen. You mean tell me say 18 not doable? Right. 18 are doable? Come on. Surely JCF can manage that. Surely Horace Chang, with all the resources at his disposal, surely a few with MPs they can write new laws, because we see when time when them serious, they see how fast them draft up new laws for things that them care about. Come on. We just want to give you the numbers so we can put things into perspective, making us say it's impossible. People that talk like Jamaica can't go under 1,000. Of course Jamaica can't go under 1,000. Just get St. Andrews out to 180, 170, 160. Give them 80. Get St. James to 80. Get Westmoreland to 80. And then maybe whatever crime rate lower than 80. Get it? Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.